What's up, my people? My name is Merve. I'm a student at ESAPA, Senior 6, level 5, Software Development. I'm a graphic designer at JoCare Internship program. My stay was really absolutely fun. Okay, I learned so many things, like talking with people who can talk, educative, communicative, friendship with so many girls, and even we did like to have some times of having some photos, some videos, some many things. My two main skills I learned from JoCare is the main is solution finding of the problems, and even you see, like, there is what we call talking to people with disabilities. How do you call it?
Sign language.
Sign languages. I learned so many of them. Now I can talk. People who can't see, who can talk, who can't well live, I can talk to them. I think that's the main thing I learned from JoCare. On my late is about 1,000. Yeah, 1,000, because here it's like a family. That's how I can call it. It's like a family. Whenever I come late or whenever you just come and have fun and learn, have so much things to see about.
Thank you.
Thank you for your time. I'll be right back.